This will be the elevator at 87 Commerce Park in Houston, Texas. It's a vintage US. See, this is a United States elevator. And look at this. Want to know something funny? When the US wants to close, the US wants to close. This behaves almost exactly like a Westinghouse, but anyways, these are your fixtures. Square button US. I have not seen this in a while. Let's go to 2. Here we go. I'm gonna let you watch that door timer again. Isn't that just not enough time for you to get in the elevator once the door opens all the way? Let's go back down to 1. Cab looks like it's in good shape too. I just missed that classic leveling. Oh, look at that. It's not even level right. Look at this. Look how off level that is. I'll let you see that one more time. All right, now we're gonna go to the other elevator. I just checked, there are 2 elevators in this building. This right here is the courtyard. This will probably be a good 4th of July special, considering that we have not 1, but 2 old vintage US square button elevators as part of celebrating Independence Day. So these elevators are probably going to be a good fit for this holiday, and these are probably the only couple remaining US elevators left in the greater Houston area. At least the vintage, the older US elevators, that is. I'm going to take a ride on this elevator right here. This is the second elevator, and looks like this one is much more better conditioned than the first one. Considering that it has a fan. When the US wants to close, the US will close. This is the second elevator here. Can't hear the motor roll because of the fan. This thing is a lot louder. It's a similar elevator cab. I'm gonna show these fixtures. These are US square button fixtures. Looks like the alarm button is kind of cracked, but other than that, this thing is in pretty good shape for the most part. A lot better shape than in the first elevator that we rode. These are your fixtures, and we'll head back down to 1 end there. Again, I love these buttons. And look at this classic leveling. Amazing. All right, there it goes, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and happy 4th of July. That'll be it.